Hello students, welcome to my online classroom. Today in this video I'll teach you Flamingo chapter 3rd Deep Water. Previous part of the lesson I have taught in my video part 1 and part 2. Here I am teaching you part 3. In previous video I told that how the narrator was struggling to save his life in the swimming pool. He struggled with his best and at last he thought that he will die. His death is very close to him. Afterward, we will see that could he save his life or not in this video. So please move on to the text and follow me from this part of the video. I crossed to oblivion and the curtain of life fell. So in the last moment he thought that the curtain of his life fell means he is going to die. The next I remember I was lying on my stomach beside the pool, vomiting. When he came back to his memory, because in previous part I told that his mind stopped working and he forgot all the things. So when he coming back to his memory, so he thought that he was laying on beside the pool on his stomach and vomiting. The chap that threw me in was saying, and chap means the boy who threw him in the swimming pool, he was telling something, but I was only fooling, someone said. He was telling that just I was doing fun on him, but some other person told him the kid nearly died. So he is now objecting that because of your fun, the kid was going to die now. Be alright now, let's carry him to the locker room. And finally they decided to take this boy to the locker room. Several hours later, I walked home. After several hours, the boy was able to go back to his home. I was weak and trembling. He became very weak. He was trembling. I shook and cried when I lay on my bed. He trembled and cried when he was going to lie on his bed at home. I couldn't eat that night. That night he was not able to eat anything. For days a haunting fear was in my heart. And for many days the fear of in the swimming pool what he had experienced was following him. The slightest exertion upset me. He was always feeling exertion and it was getting him upset, making me wobbly in the knees and sick to my stomach. At the time of walking, his knees were, he was feeling that the knees were not strong enough, so he was feeling wobbly knees and feeling pain in his stomach also. I never went back to the pool. After this accident, he did not go back to this swimming pool. I feared water. I avoided it whenever I could. He was badly scared of water and always he was trying to avoid to go near the water or in the water. A few years later, when I came to know the waters of the cascade. After a few years, when he came to know about water cascade means waterfall, I wanted to get into them. He wanted to go and enjoy in the water of waterfall, and whenever I did, whether I was wading means walking, whenever he planned to go and where he planned to go and wade there, wading means move there, the places, the Triton or Bumming, these are the name of the rivers of this place, are bathing in warm lake of the Got Rocks. There is one lake of the hot water, warm water, and suppose he wanted to bathe there, the terror that had seized me in the pool would come back. Always his terror was following him and he was unable to enjoy these all the things. It would take possession of me completely because the fear has completely seized him. my legs would become paralyzed whenever he was thinking. So his legs were getting paralyzed. I see horror would grab my heart, and he was feeling very severe, stark fear in his heart. This handicap stayed with me as the year rolled by. Handicapped means this incapability. With this incapability, he passed many years in canoe on man lakes fishing for landlocked salmon. Joy of canoeing on Man is the name of his place where he was born. Man lakes. Man is also known for lake. Fishing for landlocked salmon. Landlocked salmon is a species of fish bass fishing in New Hampshire. So salmon and bass fish, they are found in Hampshire. So they could not go to this place for fishing. Trout fishing on the Deschutes and Metolius in Oregon. Trout is also a kind of fish. So for the fishing of this fish, they cannot go to these places. Fishing for salmon on the Columbia also, they couldn't go. At Bumming Lake in the Cascade, whenever I went, one lake is there, Bumming Lake. Their cascades are there. So whenever he went there, the haunting fear of the water followed me. But the fear did not leave him. The fear came along with him there also. It ruined my fishing trips, deprived me of the joy of canoeing, boating, and swimming. Because of this fear, his all the joy of canoeing, boating, and swimming. He couldn't enjoy these all things. These all joys were ruined. I used every way I knew to overcome this fear. He tried with his best. All the efforts he did that anyway he should overcome to this fear. But it held me firmly in its grip. But the fear grabbed him, caught him very firmly. Finally, one October, I decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. In the end, he decided that he should take support of an instructor and he must learn swimming. Then only he can get rid of this fear. I went to a pool and practiced 5 days a week. So one day he went to the pool and he decided that every week 5 days he will practice, and daily 1 hour he was practicing. The instructor put a belt around me, and instructor tied one belt on him, a rope attached to the belt, and his belt was connected to one rope was tied to his belt, went through a pulley. A rope attached to the belt went through a pulley. Pulley is a kind of wheel. I wrote the meaning of pulley here. That run on a overhead, and the pulley was moving above his head, and one cable was connected to the pulley. He held on to the end of the rope, and in the last end of the rope he was holding it, and we went back and forth. In this way they can move front and come back. They can do up and down nicely with the support of this rope. Day after day, week after week, means gradually day by day and week by week, on each trip across the pool, a bit of panic seized me. In every term, he was feeling bit fear of this, terror of this, panic of this terror when he felt in YMCA swimming pool. Each time the instructor relaxed his hold on the rope, what instructor was doing, after each term he was getting loose his rope, and I went under, so he may go little bit more under the water. Some of the old terror returned and my legs froze, and whenever the terror was coming in his mind, so he was feeling some problem that his legs were not moving properly in the water. It was 3 months before the tension began to slack. And after practicing for 3 months, slowly the terror or the fear started to go out of his mind. Then he taught me to put my face underwater and exhale. And the instructor told that he must put his face under the water and he must exhale there. Exhale means breathe out. And to raise my nose and inhale. And afterward, he has to raise his nose and inhale means breathe in. I repeated the exercise hundreds of time. Hundreds of time he practiced for this. Bit by bit, I said part of the panic that seized me when my head went underwater. Bit by bit means slowly. I said part of the panic means he removed out the part of his fear that seized me, that has grabbed me, grabbed him when my head went under the water. And when he was able to put his head under the water, then he felt that his fear of the water was going out. Next, he held me at the side of the pool and had me kick with my leg. This was the next practice of swimming. So he took him at the side of the pool and he told him that kick with his leg. For weeks I did just that. He did this practice for 1 week. At first my legs refused to work. In the beginning he was feeling some problem, but they gradually relaxed. But after some practice he felt some comfortable, and finally I could command them, and in the end he got perfection in this exercise also, and in this way he learned swimming. Dear student, remaining part, one part left, that I'll explain in my next video. I hope you will like this video, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you can get a notification of my upload videos. Thank you for watching my videos.